Mercedes-Benz CLA class leak repairs. Mercedes-Benz, commonly referred to as just Mercedes, is a German luxury automotive marque. Mercedes-Benz and subsidiary Mercedes-Benz AG are headquartered in Stuttgart, Baden-Württemberg, Germany. Mercedes-Benz produces consumer luxury vehicles and commercial vehicles. The 2019 Mercedes-Benz CLA class is a compact luxury sedan with a stylish design, advanced technology, and a sporty character. It's known for its entry-level position in the Mercedes-Benz lineup and offers a more affordable entry point into the world of Mercedes-Benz luxury. Here are some key details about the 2019 Mercedes-Benz CLA class. Servicing your Mercedes-Benz CLA class regularly is crucial to ensure its performance, reliability, and longevity. Here are some key maintenance tasks and tips for Mercedes-Benz CLA class service. Follow maintenance schedule. Refer to your Mercedes-Benz CLA class owner's manual for the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule. This typically includes regular oil changes, filter replacements, tire rotations, and inspections of various components. Adhering to the recommended maintenance intervals helps keep your CLA class in optimal condition. Authorized service centers. Choose authorized Mercedes-Benz service centers or reputable mechanics experienced with Mercedes-Benz vehicles. They have access to genuine Mercedes-Benz parts and are trained to handle repairs and maintenance tasks specific to CLA class models. Fluid checks and changes. Regularly check and replace essential fluids such as engine oil, transmission fluid, coolant, brake fluid, and power steering fluid according to Mercedes-Benz's recommendations. Proper fluid levels and quality are crucial for your CLA class performance and longevity. Brake system inspection. Ensure that your CLA class brakes are inspected regularly, including brake pads, rotors, calipers, and brake fluid. Properly functioning brakes are critical for safety. Tire maintenance. Monitor tire tread depth, tire pressure, and overall tire condition regularly. Rotate your tires according to Mercedes-Benz's recommended intervals to promote even wear and extend tire life. Also, check for signs of uneven wear or damage and replace tires as needed. Battery health. Keep an eye on your CLA class battery health, especially if you notice any signs of a weak battery or difficulty starting. Consider replacing the battery if it's old or showing signs of deterioration. Electrical system. Check electrical components such as lights, wipers, and power accessories regularly to ensure they are functioning correctly. Replace any bulbs that are burnt out or dim. Safety recalls and updates. Stay informed about any safety recalls or software updates issued by Mercedes-Benz for your CLA class. Ensure that these are addressed promptly by scheduling an appointment with your authorized Mercedes-Benz service center. By staying proactive with your Mercedes-Benz CLA class maintenance and addressing any issues promptly, you can help ensure its performance, reliability, and safety on the road. Regular servicing also helps maintain the vehicle's resale value and reliability over time.